So welcome to episode 2 of my Skin Diaries with Dermalogica. Hello, Lulu. We are currently in Japan, in Madarao at a ski lodge, and I thought it would be good to do my skin diaries and see how my skin's been holding up on this trip. My skin's been very dry. Obviously, it's snowing here. It's like we're getting 10 to 15 centimetres of snow a day. Look how much snow there is. We've been skiing. My skin's been dry, red, raw. And then yesterday, we went to a nearby onsen and I had a play with the product. So the Daily Microfoliant is one of Dermalogica's key cult products, and it was launched in 2001. It was inspired by Jane Wurwand's travels around Japan, so this was perfect that I was here. Jane noticed that the workers in the rice fields had really smooth, bright skin on their hands, and she learned that this was due to the natural exfoliating and brightening properties of rice powder, which had been used in Japanese skincare for centuries. The formula actually harnesses the power of rice bran and rice enzymes with papain, salicylic acid, and a skin brightening complex to provide a gentle yet effective daily exfoliation. So it's perfect for sensitive skins, it's perfect for everybody. To use it, you simply pour some out on your hand and add a few droplets of water and make it into a paste. Now, this was one of the first water-activated powder exfoliants in the industry, so it completely revolutionised how people thought about exfoliation. And people really loved the move away from harsh scrubs towards a more refined, skin-friendly experience. I used the microfoliant yesterday, and you can see my skin's really clear, there's no more dryness. So I thought it was a good time to test out some of the products. This one has been really good. This is Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse, and it's a beautiful cleansing oil. I've been using it before cleansing, doing a double cleanse. Moisturising, this has been my new favourite. This is the Intensive Moisture Balance. Actually giving this to everyone at the ski lodge after they've been out on the slopes to try and hydrate. So today my skin is beautiful and hydrated. A little bit red from the wind, but feeling fantastic. And we're off to Tokyo tomorrow. And when I get back, I'm booking in for the exosomes treatment, and I will let you know how that goes in episode 3. See you then.